This is my MacBook Pro 2013. I'm running Planet Coaster right now. It's currently running while charging the battery. The reason why I'm making this video is this isn't the recommended wattage adapter. This is a 85 watt, but this MacBook from 2013 requires a 60 watt adapter. Just wanted to show that in this case, for this MacBook, I could use a higher wattage adapter fine. It doesn't charge it faster, but if anything, because this is a higher wattage, it might require less stress on the adapter, so it won't get as hot while it's in use. So far, it's pretty good. I'll mention which brand I got, but this one was only $20, and it's doing pretty good. Charged it for over 5 minutes, and it's gone from 91% to 95%, especially while it's being in use with this roller coaster app. And actually, this thing's running a lot better now. It's running off of the power adapter, so just want to make that video. Again, this is a 85 watt adapter. I'm gonna go plug it, unplug it. This is the model. It's a little larger than the, what's it called? Stock size adapter, I believe. Plug this back in. You can see it. It's over there. Running on battery. Unplugged it, and so it's saying it's battery sourced. Plugged it back in. Now it's saying it's power adapter not charging.